How to fix Spotify not playing songs or music problem. So if you want to fix the Spotify not playing songs or music problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Spotify application. Once you open up your Spotify, now you just need to simply go with the upper left, which has that profile option. Once you're under the profile, tap on settings and privacy. Under your settings and privacy, you need to go with the data saving and offline option. Scroll down and here you will have remove cache. Tap on clear, which is on the right side, and tap on clear. And you need to restart your device, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply search for Spotify, tap and hold on to your Spotify application, go with the app info. Once you're under the app info of Spotify, now make sure that you've turned on the notifications. Once you've done that, you need to tap on the storage and cache and then go with clear cache. You can also go with clear storage, but if you don't remember your login information, then just go with clear cache and your problem might be fixed. And after that, you just need to simply go back and go with permissions. And under permissions, if you've not allowed the music and audio permission, then you'll not be able to play the songs. So go and allow the music and audio permission and go with microphone and allow the permission also. And after that, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Spotify not playing songs or music problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.